So in this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle such that the center of the circle is positioned on the positive y-axis and it is located 6 units away from the origin and has a radius of 4 units. So let's try to understand it on a coordinate plane. So here we have a coordinate plane with the familiar x and the y-axis. The circle is centered on the positive y-axis. So it could be anywhere along the positive y-axis. So let's consider this to be the center of the circle. We know that the center of a circle usually has the coordinate h, k. Now in a case, h value will be 0 because on the y-axis, the x coordinate is 0. So 0, k is going to be the coordinate of the center. Now this center is 6 units away from the origin of the coordinate system. So it is 6 units above the origin O and it has a radius of 4 units. So let's try to sketch the circle as well. So since it is a radius of 4 units, it's going to be lesser than the 6 units. So this is going to be a circle. So the circle has a radius of 4 units. Now we need to determine the equation of this particular circle. So here we'll be using the standard form of a circle. So let's specify the standard form of a circle. Let's say we have a circle whose coordinate of the center, let's call it O, is given by h, k, and the circle has a radius of r. Then the standard form of the circle is given by x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to r squared, where r is the radius. So we'll be using this particular idea to find out the equation of the circle. We have the origin. Let's begin. So we'll first specify the center of the circle. So let the center of the circle be 0, k. Fine. So 0, that's because the x coordinate is 0 on the y-axis. And it has a radius of 4 units. So this information is already provided to us. And it's also given that the center is 6 units above the origin O. Now can you find out the value of this constant k? So here the value k is going to be actually 6. That's because the center is 6 units above the origin O. So that's the distance of this particular center, which is nothing but the y coordinate. So our k value is 6. Now using the standard form, so we know that the standard form of a circle is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to the square of the radius. So we can substitute the value here. We have x minus, the h value is 0, x minus 0 whole squared plus y minus k, so k is 6, we have y minus 6 whole squared equals to the square of the radius, so that's 4 squared. And if we further simplify it, we're going to get x squared plus y squared minus 12y plus 36 minus 16, so that will be positive 20. That's equals to 0. So this is going to be the equation of the circle and this is going to be the standard equation of the circle.